Welcome to the Personal Capital Wealth Management Review Usage Experience. Links to this powerful platform are included in the description for your convenience. Personal Capital Wealth Management is a robust solution for individuals looking to combine advanced financial planning tools with professional advisory services. It caters to high net worth individuals, offering a mix of automated technology and human expertise to help you manage and grow your wealth effectively. One of Personal Capital's standout features is its comprehensive dashboard. It aggregates all your financial accounts, banking, investments, credit cards, and loans, giving you a clear overview of your net worth. This makes it easy to monitor cash flow, track spending, and identify opportunities for optimization. The Retirement Planner tool is particularly impressive, helping users evaluate their savings trajectory and make data-driven adjustments to stay on track for their financial goals. The Wealth Management Service is tailored for users with at least $100,000 in investable assets. Personal Capital assigns each client a team of dedicated financial advisors who create a customized investment strategy based on your goals, risk tolerance, and timeline. Their portfolios are constructed using low-cost ETFs, and they emphasize tax optimization through strategies like tax loss harvesting and tax-efficient withdrawals. What sets Personal Capital apart is its holistic approach. The advisors don't just manage your investments, they provide guidance on estate planning, education funding, and retirement income strategies, ensuring your entire financial picture is aligned with your long-term goals. For accounts exceeding $1 million, the service includes even more personalized benefits like private equity and hedge fund access. On the free side, Personal Capital's investment analysis tools are available to anyone. These tools help you understand your portfolio's fees, risk levels, and performance. However, the Wealth Management Service charges fees ranging from 0.49% to 0.89%, depending on your account size, which is competitive for the level of service provided. In summary, Personal Capital Wealth Management is an excellent choice for those seeking a blend of cutting-edge technology and personalized financial advice. It's particularly suited for individuals who value a complete view of their financial health and the guidance of expert advisors. Explore the links in the description to learn more and take control of your wealth today.